Hi everyone, hope all are doing good. Now I would like to apply perspective correction in Hugin software. They have a manual on perspective correction. I will apply the same guideline in this video. So you can download this image from here, and after this we will make the image from here. The main problem in this tutorial is the control line placement. It didn't work properly when I followed this tutorial, but when I used my own control lines it worked properly. So let's see how I use the control lines to apply the perspective correction in the same image. So I downloaded the image. So let's open Hugin software. So from here, change the interface to simple. Load image from here. You can make it 0. Align. Put some parameters. Now you can change it to expert. Then you can place it to the position. Then change it to custom parameters. Then go to the control points. So let's make some control points here. Add some vertical lines first. You can add the point at the edge to get the full side of this boundary and place it here. Use auto tune and auto estimate, then I add manually. So this is straight. If you are not happy with this straight line, then you can make it in that way. Place, place, add. If you're not happy, then you can change it. Can no, use first line here and last line here. Now I will add some horizontal lines at the edge of these lines. So first one is along this. So can add 100% zoom to get the proper point. Let's say this one. Bit to zoom. Then place it to add. Good. If you are not happy with this point, then just change by clicking here and here. Then click here. So already 15 control lines on hand. So now you can optimize by your convenience. Optimize it, apply changes, and calculate the field of view, calculate optimal size to crop. Now stitch. So take it in a new folder. Let's check. So this is the corrected image, and so this is the original, this is the perspective corrected. So you can apply the control line properly to change your perspective correction. Thank you so much.